Hi everyone, thank you for joining us. I'm Yentl Lieuw. The island is about to implement a smoking ban in all public places. Many businesses in Aruba would be affected, including restaurants and bars, but especially casinos. Marlon Snake, the parliament member who is the driving force behind this ban, says the law is not designed for the businesses, but rather for the employees. Marlon Snake says he realizes that the smoking ban impacts many business operations. There are NGO groups concerned over the law. The casinos on the island have especially addressed their concerns on the limitations this ban would have on their business.
When I was busy making the law, I sit down with AHATA, with ATIA, with a lot of NGOs that will will be in contact with the changes. I have to say that the organization of the casinos was one of their concern was that they have a lot of people that come in and like to smoke.
If the public smoking ban is passed, casinos will be impacted the most. Marlon Snake emphasizes that the law is not designed or catered with businesses in mind, but the law is solely for workers' benefit.
One of the things that a legislator has to do is work for the community. And one of the petition was from a lot of people that were working in casinos, that right now they have to take, take a layoff because the doctor told them you have to choose between your work or your health. So and they choose for their health, so they don't have job right now. And I think so, as I just mentioned, we have to handle the law in the parliament, and then we can make any changes if anyone has a better idea. But I think the environment that the people work has to be a healthy environment.
If work environments are hazardous to employees' health, something must be done. If the business sector or casino association can come up with an alternative solution, the parliament is willing to negotiate. Otherwise, the current situation in regards to public smoking must change.
If the casino can provide a healthy environment using a special, system that they can provide a healthy environment, maybe they can use a system. Otherwise, they have to go by law, so you can smoke anymore in the casino. But I just mentioned, we have to discuss it, we have to debate on it, and if anyone of my colleagues that has a better idea for the casinos, they're welcome to come with it.